Hello guys, my name is Deepak and you're watching my show The Tough Heart IGT, and here we discuss about some quotes and journey of life. Third is, don't mistake my kindness for weakness. If I get kind, then don't mistake I have weakness of this. One fake friend can do more damage than five enemies. Sometimes you just have to stay silent. No words can explain what's going on in your mind and heart. I keep a lot myself because it's difficult to find people who understand. I made some mistake I can't change, but I change so I won't make the same mistake. Sometimes when you are invited, you are not welcome. Know the difference. I no longer see the good people, I see the truth. Sorry to say this, being a good person who does not get you loved, it gets you used. And that is, I don't care what happen, what anyone says. Good people get tired of being good to ungrateful people. 14th is, some people don't realize how hard you ride for them until you park. Sadly, the only way some people will learn to appreciate you is by losing you. You will never reach your destination if you stop and throw a stone at every dog that barks. 17 is, be smart, no one cares about your efforts, only the result. 18th is, it's during the storm you get to know who you are. And 19th is, not hunting now does not mean I forget the skills. Sometimes not about who has more talent, is not about who is hunger. Those who fly alone have the strongest wings. Everyone wants to eat, but few are willing to hunt. Don't try to be perfect, just try to be better than you were yesterday. Those who fly solo, they have strong wings. Truth of life. Do a millions good things, nobody will change. No will can, no will care. Commit a single mistake and everybody will judge you. Best advice in two lines. Silence is best answer for all language. All questions here, and smiling is the best reaction in all situation. And maturity is when someone hurt you and you try to understand their situation and don't hurt them back. This is the point. I asked life why you are so difficult, and life smiled and said, you people never appreciate easy things. This is the life. 34, now commitment is no expectations. Love the life you live the life you love, and let's go take a take a walk on crisp autumn day with falling leaves as company. So this is the thoughts about life, and we discuss about this now. Mm, First is live the life you love. If you want to live your life, do something who l- who you like, and what you like, and live your life is just care about your care about your dreams, your situation, your eyes, your mental health, and something is your love life and live your life. So yeah, when you live your life, you when you live your life when you live your life, so when when you feel happy and mentally peace and heart peace, and you feel very good. Love the life you live. If you want to do something new and new changes and just want to say yes, this is my life, so do what you want to do and not others what they want to not do, and just stay away that people who want to change you, and just go by your life. So yeah, your life is strong than your life just strong than others, and you love your life. No commitment, no expectations. If you not commit any of your commitment, there are no expectations in your life. So yeah, choose your decision, what is right, what is wrong. So yeah, you don't commitment, so there is no expectation you will find. I asked life, why are you so difficult? So life smiled and said, you people never appreciate easy thing. So yeah, this is the human nature that we never appreciate the easy life, easy things. We want more and more, but we never stop, and we always ask the life what you want from me, and this is the easy way, and this is the life which you want. Try to understand their situation and don't hurt them back. Maturity is when someone hurt you and you try to understand. So yeah, maturity is when someone hurt you and you try to understand their situation and don't hurt them. Maturity is like understand someone and what they want to say, what they want to not to say. This is the thinking of mind. So yeah, if this is the thinking of your in mind, that you understand, you are matured, You mature yourself by experience what the situation want to do and what they want to not do. So yeah, silence is the most re- silence is best answer for all questions. Silence is just more silence is more silence is the best answer for all questions, and smiling is best reaction for all situations. So yeah, commit a single mistake and everybody will judge you. Commit a single mistake and everyone judge you. Everyone they want to uh, l- watching you for a single mistake when you make mistake single mistake, and they want to judge you. There is the way where you not perfect, where you perfect, where you not perfect. This is the way where you search yourself, correct yourself, and go yourself. So yeah, always correct yourself and do your best. Commit a mistake. Truth of life: do a million good things, nobody will care. So yeah, truth of life is do millions things, but they don't care about you. Sometimes, sometimes thousands, we give thousands of things, thousands of things we do for our person, and they don't care about us. And this is the life. You will teach you your importance only when you do with them, do for your friend, and you actually accept one time or two time, but you need to understand that person come for you when you do for them. And this is the truth of life, this is the truth. Those who fly solo have the strongest wings. Those who those who can fly like an eagle, they have strongest wings in their life, and they can do any, they can fly and hunt the and hunt hunt the target and ambitions such like this. And their eyes so clear and sharp on their target. So yeah, this is the life. And those who fly solo have the strongest wings. Yeah, don't try to be perfect, just do better. When you try better yesterday, so yeah, if you try better, so yeah, you learn from yesterday and try better than yesterday, then you will find better and better. Everyone wants to eat, but few are willing to hunt. Everyone wants to eat, but few persons, few things are want to only hunt them. So this is a difference is some person some person want to eat, but some person want to only hunt, like an eagle. Eagle always staring at fish, and when we fish come from water, in, in the layer of water, eagle hunt them and eat the fish. Ha, yeah. Next thing is those who fly alone, they have strongest wings. Those like eagle. Eagle fly eagle fly lonely, but they have strongest wings, and they're proud of their wings who have them. And when they see the target, they hunt them and eat them like a shoot gun. So yeah, this is the this is the way when you learn from it. Sometimes there are no proof to what you have talent. It's about who is hunger more. Like a eagle. Eagle has more talent. They can their eyes so sharp, and they can see the target and aim can see him, see them by them. And when fish, it's about who is hunger. When fish come from water and on layer, eagle hunt them, shoot them like a shoot gun. Yeah, and finish the work what what he want. This is the thing. This is the thing. This is, if you not hunting, this will not you forget the how to hunt, and that is skills. So I want to say, this thing is when you leave hunting and you are rest. So this will not uh, that you forget how to hunt and how to hunt them and forget the skill. This will not you forget the skill. This will you just wait for come back in your life. It's during the storm you get to know who you are. In storm, when storm come, that's been that time when storm come back, storm come, that's been on that time. uh, you feel inside who you are, who you really are. Be smart, no one care about your efforts, only the result. Be smart, be smart, no one care about your efforts, only do the best result. Be smart, no one care about your efforts. Just do your best and they only see the results. You will never reach the destination if you stop and throw stones at every dog and box. You will never reach your destination if you throw stones and throw throw stones and every dog. When you stop, you will never reach the destination if you stop and throw stones at every dog, at the dog that barks on you. Sadly, the only way some people will learn to appreciate you is by losing you. Sadly, the only way some people will learn to appreciate you is losing you. Some people does not don't realize how hard you ride for them until you park. This is important. I don't care what anyone say. Good people get tired of being good to ungrateful people. And sorry to say this, being a good person does not get you loved, it gets you used. I no longer see the good person people, I see the truth. Sometimes when you invited, you are welcome. Know the difference. Sometimes you invited are not welcome. Sometimes you invited, you are not welcome. Know the difference. But I change, so I won't make the same mistake. I made some mistake. I can't change. I keep a I keep a lot myself because it's difficult to find people who understand. I keep a lot myself because it's difficult to find people who understand. No words can explain that's going into your mind and heart. No words can explain going in your what's going what's going on in your mind and heart. Sometimes you just have to stay silent. Sometimes you just need to silent. One fake friend can do more damage than five enemies. One fake one fake people, one fake friend can do more damage than five enemies. Don't mistake my kindness for weakness. Don't make mistake my kindness for weakness. So yeah, here is and I see you tomorrow and best of luck for today.